Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you how to get your Grammarly widget back. If you are missing your Grammarly widget and eager to bring it back, don't fret, here's a handy guide to help you out. Open Microsoft Store or go to Chrome and download Grammarly for Windows or the Chrome extension. Download and install the selected version by following the prompts. After installation, launch the Grammarly app or extension and ensure you are signed in with the credentials. Double click to confirm that your sign-in process is fully completed. Once you signed up, you can go to the app section and see what type of installation has been done. Now go to Chrome and on the right hand side of your screen, you will see a grammar widget appearing. Your Grammarly widget is back in action, ready to provide invaluable assistance with your writing endeavors. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful insight. Thanks for tuning in.